Great Silk Road was not just a road. For more than 15 centuries, it connected East and West through trade, culture, knowledge, faith, and human ambition. Beginning around the 2nd century BCE, caravans moved across the vast heart of Eurasia, from China through Central Asia, toward Persia, the Caucasus, Anatolia, and Europe. Silk gave the road its name, but silk was never its only treasure. Along this ancient network traveled spices, tea, precious stones, metals, horses, ideas, religions, science, music, maps, languages, and the spirit of entire civilizations. The Great Silk Road was where the world learned to speak to itself. And through the high mountains of Kyrgyzstan, especially across the dramatic landscapes of Alay, that ancient memory still breathes. Here, the road rises toward the sky. Here, valleys open like pages of history. Here, the wind carries the silence of old caravans. Yesterday, camels and horses cross these passes. Today, trucks, travelers, and dreamers follow the same mountain corridors. The centuries have changed the wheels,
but they have not changed the meaning of the journey.
This is not just a road. This is a living memory of civilization. This is the Great Silk Road, seen from above.